How the fuck you gonna take a project to Hollywood? I don't know what Hollywood. I can't take a project view to Hollywood. Turn this shit around right now. I'm feeling the boss. Fuck the ministry, I'm in the street. I ain't never been to Hollywood. I'm not Hollywood, I'm Hollywood. I don't wanna go to Hollywood. I got kicked out of elementary. Started rapping, making melodies. Listening to beats on my MP3. Now my video on MTV. I got the BB gun in my bag. Brought the BB gun in my class. Called my mama and she sounded mad. Say when I get home she gon' whoop my ass. Usher dropped me